We hope you have a pleasant trip this afternoon, and thank you for choosing Delta. We'll be ready for boarding in about 5 minutes.
It is our pleasure to welcome you aboard Delta. For your safety and comfort on the Boeing 767, your carry-on luggage must be placed underneath the seat in front of you or in an overhead compartment for takeoff and landing. Federal law prohibits tampering with, disabling, or destroying any smoke detector in an aircraft lavatory. Smoking is not permitted on Delta flights.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome on board from the flight deck to Delta Flight 1490. It's a pleasure having you on today. We're currently number 2 for departure. We'll be taking the runway momentarily. At this time, we'd like to ask our flight attendants to make their preparations for takeoff as well. Thank you.